Put the conveyor belt on the cabinet. Fix the conveyor belt to the workbench. Remove the fixing screws of the monitor on the column. Fix the monitor bracket. Remove the screws on the monitor fixing hole. Fix the monitor on the bracket. Fixing completed. Plug the plug on the conveyor belt into the power socket side of the cabinet. Plug the monitor power cord and high-definition cable behind the cabinet into the monitor. Plug the power cord into the power socket behind the cabinet. Connect the ground wire. Turn on the ceiling light switch. Turn on the air switch, emergency stop switch, computer switch, and laser switch in turn. Turn on the backlight on the conveyor belt. Check the center line. Click Edit Marking Template. Place a piece of black photo paper under the galvanometer. Draw a crosshair. Click Preview to adjust the appropriate position. Click Mark, then close the marking software. Adjust the camera position so that the red crosshair coincides with the marked white crosshair. If there is a slight deviation, click Edit Marking Template to modify the offset position and angle fine adjustment in the parameters. Click CCD Settings. Modify the upper and lower limits of the volume. Place a piece of black photo paper under the galvanometer, then click Mark Matrix. Click Get Image. Click Recognize. After left-clicking the image, select all the circles, then right-click to confirm. Check whether the data on the right has reached the 80th. Save, then click Exit. Calibration completed. Place the workpiece under the light. Right-click to modify the camera parameters to clearly distinguish between light and dark parts of the workpiece. Create a new template. Name it in English or a digital name. Draw the search area. Adjust the search area range, then click Finish. Click to draw the template area. Adjust the template area range, then click Finish. After the template is successfully recognized, there will be a red outline. Click Draw Shield Area to shield the unnecessary red outline. Click Finish. Click to mark the template. Edit the content to be marked. Click the keyboard up, down, left, and right to adjust the file to the required position. The workpiece position cannot be moved. Save the file after the adjustment is completed. Template creation is completed. Start marking.